Hello everybody, today I'm going to unbox iPhone 12 Pro Silver. So it's silver over here, it's a little bit open. Okay, so over here we don't have gigabyte anymore, just 12 Pro, that's it. So all the info is over here. So let's open it. So we took plastic out. Here how it looks. Okay, so let's open the box. So it's kind of off-white over here and silver on the side. So it's more white than silver. Over here it says silver. Okay. Let's see. Manual, stickers, manual, SIM tool, cable, USB-C to Lightning. Okay, and here's the phone. That's the plastic for the phone. Triple camera. Feels nice in hand. To be honest with you, I prefer other colors, but it's still pretty good. So now all new iPhones come with this kind of cable, Lightning to USB-C. So Lightning goes into the phone, and you cannot use your old dirty power adapter from your old iPhone anymore. See, you can't use it. So now you have to use it with this kind of power adapter, 18 or 20 watt, like this. Okay, so please like and subscribe to my channel.